So here's the Victory door gibs. We're just cleaning them up because I'm not sure if it's piss. It's kind of a nice building, but it's all down in the track here. We got to clean out too. And these doors are so light, it was sticking in the track, not allowing it to close. But how we got there, again, it's just a JRT controller. This is the hook that we just found here in the machine room. We'll take that away so people can't play with it. But I think I've gone over it before. If you look right there, your hall door is PP. So when it was running, you can see it was getting PC but not PP, and it faults out after it tries to take off 5 times with the door closed, or it closes and then it just, if it can't make the door lock in 5 tries, it just shuts down. So that was the call. It's been acting up for 3 days. They decided to call us on a Friday afternoon, and we drove an hour and a half due to traffic into Toronto to clean some gibs and clean some track. But we'll see if it runs better after. Okay, so we got it fixed up. This is super sticky too, because we had to use that to unlock the door. But we had to spray this out. The door is moving pretty freely. Here's how the gibs are, right? They sit on a little rack, this indent here. And those are just, I guess you'd call those retainers or fire retainers. Let's see, it worked there for a sec. Oh, that's much better, eh? Right on. Okay, so we got it on inspection. Braden's just going upstairs to turn it on automatic. We've been a little busy lately, but I don't know, they're trying to get me not to do much of field stuff anymore. I'm not sure what I feel about it. Some office stuff, some field stuff when people need help or whatever. So I don't know what that's going to do for the videos. We still have a lot of units that need some care. It's got an alarm there. I bet you he forgot to put the overhead switch when it has like a short overhead travel. Let me go check. All right, we can hear it running. It left upstairs pretty good, right? But the problem is definitely down here. Again, we can just watch those relays. I can hear him put in the call. This is a similar controller to like what we have back when we were manufacturing Lulas. This is our Lula, or was, I guess. We have sold all the manufacturing side of elevators. We just do doors. Send it up again. Oh, he's at the middle landing. I will go over probably this weekend, maybe some hand tools. I'd like to do like a little tool bag of like the Mastercraft stuff for those of us in Canada. They got some really nice stuff coming out that's affordable. Get a little tool bag and go through there. I also get that new Wheeler, little tour of that. See if it'll take off from this floor now. There we go. Awesome. All right. Sorry about the delay in videos, but my job description is changing by the day. So just bear with me in the meantime. Thanks.